everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. I wanted to show you a quick, really easy school supply hack to grab all your supplies super easy from Walmart. So start by going right into your Walmart app. At the top where it says search Walmart, click in there and just type in school supplies. It will search it up for you and bring you to a web page. At that point, it's going to help you find your school and their supply list. So you just want to enter the zip code that you live in and the school for which your child goes to. And then click on Find Supply List. After it searches it, you'll see right here results for Yaley and my zip code here. And I'm going to click on that. Notice it has all of the grades for the 2022 to the 2023 list, but I'm going to click on the kindergarten list. At that point, what you can do is go through and decide to add all of these items to the cart, or you can maybe search a different item, that type of thing. I will tell you that most teachers do not like the crazy art supplies. They'd rather you have a little bit higher quality product. But this should cover all of the items that are on that kindergarten list. If you like everything you see, for instance, the Eastport backpack there that's $18.96 may be something that your child that's in kindergarten would like a cute one with a character or something, so you may not want to grab that one. But let's say everything on here looks right. I want to grab everything. Just go back up to the top and add all to cart. Or again, you can go individually and add each item to cart. So add all to cart. Now they're in my cart up here. Click on that. And I can do a pickup order tomorrow, or it can be shipped, or however, and I would continue to check out just like I would any other type of pickup order or shipping order. And I am done shopping for school supplies. So a really, really easy, quick way to shop for school supplies. I did also try this with my kids' middle school. So I have two in middle school, and both the 6th grade and the 8th grade were there. Be sure to subscribe for more shopping tips and tricks.